So today I'm going to unbox Optimum Nutrition 100% whey protein gold standard, which I ordered from Nutrabay. As you can see here that I have received the package from Nutrabay today, which is 8th August 2018. Now the time is 6:15 p.m. So there are a lot of instructions which we get to know before opening the package, as you can see. So I'm going to make an unboxing video of it. So you can see the entire package. It has been packed pretty well, and there is no discrepancy in the packing as far as I can notice. So I gave you a physical overview of the package. Now let's open the package. So right now I do not have a knife or any sharp other object to open, so I have pro procured myself a small scissor which I am going to use, but it will take a bit of a time because I am using this small knife to open it without tampering any bill or any label. I'm going to cut it from here. Well, just to ensure that the bill is not getting damaged while tearing the package with this knife. So this is the bill which I separated from it. Okay, so just separated the bill, and now this instruction also, without doing much harm to it. Okay, now this is the package of the box. As you can see here, let me ensure which side should I open so that the box can be opened easily. So I'm just trying to figure out which way is the lid of the box. Okay, so I just keep it aside, instruction and the bill also I kept aside. Now let's open the box as soon as possible with this small scissor. Wait. I should have used a knife, but it's too late. So let me just open the box this way. Just open it. Actually, there is no one to help me at the moment, so that's why I am holding my smartphone with one hand, and I'm trying to, fight with this package with the other hand. The packing is excellent. It's awesome. It's very tough. The packing is really brilliant, but I know it's my fault that I should have used a knife, and rather I would have acquired someone else's help to record the video with this device. But still, I know this video is getting very long enough. Let's just open it this way. It would have been a lot easier if I just have used a knife, but it's okay. Okay, so we get here best wishes from nutrabay.com, team on your fitness journey, and It has also given their social media links, which is Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Make sure you review the product on our website. Sure, I will definitely. Next, we get the this is the tax invoice or the bill, which has all of the details in it, my address, my phone number, my name. Now comes the real product, which I'm eagerly waiting. This is, as you can see, it is pretty well packed. This is on gold standard 100% whey protein. Yes, it is very well packed. So I'm going to just remove this package also. Actually, their packing is brilliant. It's great. Great packaging. Excellent. Really. I had to fight with the package just to make up the box out of it. It says that it is, yeah, as you can see, on true strength. It has a very nice seal in it on authentic Optimum nutrition product. As you can see, on gold standard 100% whey protein. Yes, the package is awesome. It has also got the bright commodities importer sticker on it, which also tells that it has a scratch code in here, which I will do later onwards. But I can assure you that it is pretty genuine. It's not pretty genuine, it is actually 200% genuine, because Nutrabay has their own goodwill and they won't like to lose it. Alright, so hats off Nutrabay, it's a great job by them. And the main thing is that I have got uh, you know gym gloves free with this package. Actually, there was an offer, and I just ordered the product while this offer was going on, and I got the gym gloves with it. Let me show you. Nutrabay, feel great every day. Gym gloves. Yes, it's pretty well. It's leather and it's synthetic mixed. This portion is leather. As you can see, it's shining, it's glossy, but this portion is synthetic. The another one, it's the same here also. Yeah. Well, one side it's yeah, it's for the right hand. On the right hand glove, it's written on Optimum Nutrition, and on the left hand glove, yes, left hand glove, this is a Nutrabay. Feel great every day. Actually, so this was all of the package, the box, the whey protein box, and the free sample, which is the gloves, gym gloves, which I've got today. So thank you, Nutrabay, very much for providing us such a great service. And Nutrabay is a very reliable and great website from where you can purchase all of the protein supplements, whether it is made in India or in any other country of the world, US, UK, Europe, anything. You can get all of the supplements from here. So, alright, guys, thanks for watching. I will open it later because I have my previous Ultimate Nutrition uh, left. So when it gets empty, then only I will open it and start consuming it. I will definitely post my results. It is a 5 lbs 2.27 kgs product, protein powder, and it is flavor is double rich chocolate. Okay, so I know the video is very long, it's almost 10 minutes. So alright, guys, thanks for watching, and thanks Nutrabay for giving us such a great service, and keep on giving the service. Thank you. Signing off.